So guys, just want to bring into, we're at that time of the year again where we sort of have a problem where some people are unfortunate to be stuck in or live in an area where we have a storm season and we have the operation where we have hail or have trees dropping down or things flying down the road with heavy winds and smacking into caravans, RVs and motorhomes. So just wanted to bring it to your attention. Guys, just firstly, make sure you're all right. Our biggest thing is about the personalities that are in the van or around that van to make sure you're okay. If you are in any problems, make sure you're using that AAA number, all right? Because that's going to get you out of trouble to get yourself sorted. Secondly, if you do have any problems, you're going to have a look on and actually give us a call and our team's here to help you, or you can jump on our website and we get our 4-stage easy process to make sure we can help you with your claim to get you back on the road. We're here just at the moment doing one, showing the back of the van. We just put a new roof on it, coming through, it's had hail on the top of it, so we're just getting that sort of thing. Something we do every day of the week, and we are a major repairer for all your major insurance companies out there. So please, it's your choice on who you want to repair your caravan, something that we've done for a very, very long time, and also work in that space quite heavily. So just get in there, have a look at it. With that, AllBrand Caravan Services and my team, they've always wanted to make sure they look after their clients, and if needed, we will come to you for any insurance quotes, get them sorted and get them submitted for you. Other than that, once it is approved, we come to you to pick it up. So we know, as of late while I do this video, we've had some out westish sort of stuff and that sort of things. We'll come to you, pick it up and drop it off to make sure that you're looked after. It is a tedious thing, everyone's got a job to do, and also it's a bad time to have that situation. So it's not a great feeling when you're towing a van to somewhere or driving your motorhome to somewhere when it has all that damage over it. One good part is we can get you up and going so you can use your van if there's things like hatches and stuff like that. So please reach out, speak to the team, jump on our website, but if you need anything, we're here to help. Have a good day. Bye.